up YouTube? Welcome back to another vlog, and today we're doing fireworks off of helipads in downtown LA. I'm so excited. Well, we're gonna hang with my friend Kylie first, and we're gonna do some fireworks, watch some fireworks here in Laguna or just around here because it's a beautiful day and God bless America. Alright, see you guys there. So these are the fireworks I got that I'm gonna do on top of the helipad with my friend, and we're gonna set them off tonight also with another homie. So thank you guys for watching, and let's get fucking lit tonight. We are here with fireworks, and we will
also we're faded as fuck.
Right. Gotta open this shit.
Slice it.
Alright, we probably need a knife. That's a big one. There we go.
See, why can't they shoot higher ones? Those are so low.
For real.
Oh shit,
holy
that's nice.
Shit. Well, we can see some of it, guys, but dude, that's crazy.
What'd you say?
I said we can see some of it from there. I think it just lights up the sky.
Dude, I like it too. It feels so spider web.
I'm dead. Oh shit.
Dude, I'm scared. I swear I saw a spider somewhere there.
Oh fuck. Ooh, Saturn. Ooh, that one's nice.
I feel bad, but she cannot be standing up right now. Ooh, that's so pretty.
Let's go, let's go. Go.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh my god.
Oh crap.
Oh, is that just a sparkler or is it gonna go up?
Yeah, it's like a sparkler.
Oh.
What the heck are you doing?
Oh my god. You know, he wishes. Just kidding.
Oh crap.
Don't burn that car down, crazy Peter guy. Yeah. Okay, Pete the cat. Oh my god. Your new nickname is Pete the cat.
Bro, I don't even see where this is going.
Oh my god. Yay. Flip it.
That's crazy. Not. Oh my god.
Where are they?
Alright guys, we're here at the warehouse. You can't really see it, but we got this bad boy and a couple fireworks that we can shoot up here and see downtown LA, which is pretty sick. And then I think we go to downtown LA and get a couple helipads and hopefully do this shit as well. Oh shit. Guys, this is the spot right here. The first spot, the warehouse. We're gonna set the fireworks up right here. It's gonna be sick, guys. Jesus, bro. Alright guys, we're here at the train tracks in downtown LA. We have fireworks. We're gonna try to do the helipads next, hopefully, but we're gonna go to the LA River actually. Bro, this is so lit. What a good night, guys. We got them on the train. I don't know if you can see them, but there's people on the train. Ow, fuck. Oh shit, dude. Yo, do another burnout. Holy shit. Alright guys, we're about to light fireworks off of this freaking train. Let's go, dude. This is so exciting, bro. Alright guys, we're on a train in downtown LA. Holy shit. Bro, the cops. Bro, it's the fucking cops. Oh, fuck. That is the most LA shit I've seen today. Alright guys, we're at the last part, a helipad in downtown LA, what y'all been looking forward to, so let's get right with it. We're here with the homie. 18. Good. Oh shit, yeah. Good enough. Yeah, and this is where we're gonna do the freaking fireworks, bro.